Number 5, dribbling the ball. Passing 36. Still by number 20. Still 20. Tumira number 20. Easy. 2 points by number 20. 34. Dribbling the ball. Pass to 36. Tumira number 36. So good. Dribble with 21. 21 to number 20. 20. Dribble the ball. Number 20. Tumira number 20. So good. Dribble with number 36.
58 seconds.
Pass to number 19. 19. Pass to number 5. Pass to number 24. Tumira 24. So good. Dribble with number 5. Pass to number 14. Number 14. Tumira sa malayo. No good. Dribble with 19. Easy. 2 points by number 19. Number 24, still in 19. Pass to number 5, Tumira, no good. Out of bounds, same ball. 14, Tumira, easy, 2 balls. By number 14. 36. Recto, 19, pass to 33, fake, pass to kalaban, 19, pass to number 5, lace, no good, umirale, siyempre, shoot na lang. Number 4, dribble the ball, pass to 33, dribble the ball, 33, tumatakbo. Nawasan ng kalaban, pass sa kalaban, number 5, pass to number 20, Mito. Pass to 19, no good. 24, still in number 5, pass to number 19. Tumira, easy, 2 points, number 19. Number 4, dribble the ball to number 33. Pass to number 34. Pumulong sa malayo, no good. Out of bounds. Time out, insurance shots. Bola po. Number 6, dribble the ball, number 6, tumira sa malala, number 6, no good, dribble ni 3. Easy, 3 balls by number 3.
Hey, hindi mo camera.
34. 34. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Tumira sa mga foul. Foul number 6. First personal foul. First team foul. Remaining time 6 minutes and 5 seconds. Score 79-29 in favor of Insursa. Second attempt, no good. Last attempt, no good. Rebound to 14. Pass to number 6, pass to 7-7. 7-7, pass to number 6, tumira. 2 points by number 6. 33, pass to number 11, to number 18, Tate. Still at 22. 22 is still number 4. Pass to number 34. 34. Tumira sa malayan. No good. Dribble ni 14. 14.
Bang, bang!
Tumira. No good. Dribble ni 6. Easy. 2 points by number 6. Foul number 3. Third personal foul. Second team foul. 33. 34. Dribble the ball. 34. Pass to 33. 33 to 18. Tumira. Number 18. No good. Rebound na ulit. Tumira sa malalim. No good. Ayun. By number 14. Number 6 to 7-7 to number 14. Tumira na good. Rebound na 34. 34. Dribble the ball. 34. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Tumira na good. Rebound ni 80. Pass to number 3, Tumira, no good. Number 6. Number 6. Tumira. By number 6. Number 4. Timeout. Insure shot.
Buhay na ako. Mag-dribble ka.
Back to the ball game. Seven to 23. Tumira sa malayo. No good. Rebound 16. Easy. 2 points by number 16. Last 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Score 86-30 in favor of Insure Shot. 34. Side step. Number 34. Tumira. No good. Rebound to 21. 21 pass to 23. 23 pass to still 18. 18. Dribble the ball. Number 18. Tumira. Number 18. No good. Dribble niya ulit. Ang lakas. No good. Out of bounds. Tumira, no good. Rebound na 11, number 11, no good. Number 21, Lumira. Number 21, no good. Rebound number 33. Number 11. 11.
Taas kamay.
Pass to number 34. 34.
Abang.
Tumira sa malayo number 34. No good. Rebound number 21. Pass to 7. 7. Pass to 23. 23. Tumira. Patalito. Busy. Basket by number 22. Pass to number 21. 21. Pass to 7. Out of bounds. Dribble the ball, pass to 34. 34. Pass to 24. Tumira no good. Dribble to 16. Pass to 23. Pass to 7. Tumira no good. 18. Tumira number 18. Easy. 2 points by number 18. Last 1 minute and 25 seconds. The score 19-32 in favor of Insure Shots. 33, dribble the ball. 33 side step, no good. Rebound to 21, pass to 7.
Ayan, display.
Sa kanya ulit. 3 points by number 7. 24. Dribble the ball. 24. Tumira. No good. Last 40 seconds.
Raisel! Wag niya agawan.
16.
Wala ka pang shoot.
Pass to 22.
Sura, sumeres.
15 seconds.